Oh, here we go, folks. Then it's just about done. Only gotta fix this door handle here. I'm gonna eliminate that lock hole. Weld that up. The back, well, this is what I did back here, so that the door doesn't go swinging open when going down the road. You know, that kind of stuff. I'm gonna have to change the solenoid on this one. I think that might be the problem with the battery not charging. But if I run into that problem again, I'll just put an isolator, hook them up to the alternator, and then both batteries will charge evenly. But yeah, this is what I got. 7.3 power stroke. This is my new rat rod. Until next time, Chief, bidding all of you a big aloha wide from the island of Hawaii up here in Alalai, Hawaii. Oh yeah.